ka Dr Ampareen lingdo kabla ino ek jinglong khot ka ying dor bar thau ain ka jalla ka khnai trip no pra arjar puar ban pinyeso shaka National People Party da ka jingthmu ban yakon ni election amali arjar pulai na East Shillong constituency na NPP kalong ba ka jingwan rung ka All India Trinamool Congress ka dei lengba ka proxy lani ka basu pha le da ki wepan kalong ba kamlong ka baitanan bat ka jingsisa hai ka pinyeso shaka AITC kila dei ban resign no na ka kam MLA bat yele da election bat e hakarai pai ba.
I would consider that proxy entries into states is not a very healthy entry. Every 12 person who went to the TMC should have ideally resigned, be brave, go back to the people, get their mandate. So as much as a proxy entry into the state of Meghalaya will likely perform in the coming months, I do not recommend any candidate to do that. I do not recommend that one should do that. Go to the people, seek a fresh mandate. I have shown the people of Meghalaya that it is possible. I went back to the people 1 year after my election. Fortunately, my people had faith in me. So it's the faith of the people which will supersede your proxy entry into any political party. Ampareen Lingdo never enters proxy into another political party. By example, I have shown you. If a party no longer requires my services, I will resign. And I have resigned. I am not going through the skylight. I am not going through the window into somebody's house. I resigned this morning before I declared my candidature from the NPP after they have accepted me. So don't allow proxy entry of political parties into the state of Meghalaya. It will result in unhealthy politics. Who will lose out in the long run? Not individual candidates, but the people in general.